A-level biologists, if you are AQA, this is something that is specific for you. And our Easter revision courses, we do have separate ones for AQA and OCR. So make sure you've clicked the link in our bio so you can get 6 hours of A-level revision with us for free. So do that now if you've not done so already. In the meantime, we're going to focus on this AQA specific topic, protein digestion and the enzymes involved. There are 3 you should be able to name. We've got endo, exo and dipeptidases, but let's describe their action. So endo means within, right? In, and that's a bit of a clue. So endopeptidases hydrolyze, don't just say break, they hydrolyze peptide bonds, name that bond, in the middle. That's where the endo bit is useful, in the middle of a polypeptide. So that will produce shorter polypeptides, shorter chains. An example of one of those would be pepsin, which is in your stomach. So it works at that acidic pH. Then we have exo. Exo means out, right? So exopeptidases, they hydrolyze peptide bonds too, but they hydrolyze peptide bonds at the ends of polypeptides. So further towards the ends of the chain. So this would release single amino acids in some cases, or it might release really short dipeptides with just 2 amino acids. An example of one of these would be trypsin, which is actually produced by your pancreas, but it works or it's released into your small intestine. Finally, we've got dipeptidases. Now, again, I feel like I'm repeating myself. They hydrolyze peptide bonds. What a surprise, but they hydrolyze peptide bonds in dipeptides. So by this point, you've just got dipeptides with just 2 amino acids left joined together. They hydrolyze those peptide bonds so you get individual amino acids which can then be absorbed. And these enzymes are actually membrane bound. So they're found embedded in the cell surface membranes of the epithelial cells that line your small intestine. So it's kind of the final stage of protein digestion. So all of these enzymes work really effectively to make sure all of your protein is digested into single amino acids, ready to be absorbed into your bloodstream.